Hi there. Ever wonder what SMTP is? The abbreviation stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Simply put, it's used every time an email is sent. However, in our system, it's a custom feature that allows sending booking-related notifications from a personal or business email instead of no reply at SimplyBook.me, which is the default one. If you would like to configure this feature, it's a good idea to get the necessary SMTP settings from your mail service provider beforehand. Some providers have these values publicly available, so you can look them up online. Other times, it may be necessary to retrieve them from within your email account or by contacting your mail service provider directly. Once you have these values, you can enable SMTP email on the Custom Features page and expand the settings to configure them. Let's fill out the more important values first. In this example, I will be using the default settings for Gmail. I know that this server uses SSL encryption via default port, so I can leave these set to default. The SMTP username and password are the credentials you use to log into the actual mailbox you will be using to send booking notifications from. If your mailbox is using two-step verification, it will be necessary to generate a designated password to connect it. The two top fields are essentially intended for aliases that will be used in email headers, so you can fill them out with the information that you would like to be shown there. Below, you can customize the content of your test email. Once you're ready, you can try sending the test email to see if everything is working properly. The test email will be sent to your company address, which you can check or change in Settings, Basic Information. If you want to adjust the booking notifications or set up custom ones, please refer to our dedicated tutorial on this topic. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.